Day one. It's October 13th and the season is starting. Season 3 is already started. First hit, first slam, season 4, let's go. We're out here killing it. Season 5 has officially started. That is the start of season 6, first day on snow. Team Buckhouse, 100,000 YouTube subscribers. How insane is that? 100,000. I think this is like officially the you made it, you're a YouTuber. When someone asks like the kids at Walmart, how many subscribers do you got? And you say, I got 100,000. They go, oh yeah. And they don't think you're just some like fake YouTuber or someone trying to figure it out. Now, looking at my channel right now, you see full-time snowboarder, YouTuber, lots of level of success. You see a father, you see an incredible snowboarder, but none of that was the case when I started this channel. I was literally a dude just working at Target. And my little brother was like, yo, let's start a channel. I was like, nah, man, I don't want to do that. I just want to shred, I just want to snowboard. And it's crazy because through the hard work and just putting in the effort into the channel and then just continually doing it, I've evolved in my riding. I'm a much better snowboarder than when I started this channel. I'm way better at YouTube. I actually am a lot better at making videos, titling them and making good thumbnails, all of it. Go back to season 1 playlist. You can literally see my progression as a content creator from a snowboarder, a family guy. I have 2 kids now. I wasn't even thinking about kids on day 1, season 1. I was thinking about shredding. You know, and that's one thing I actually love about this channel is you can go back and watch the journey. You can literally come back and see before I even had these rails, before the rails even looked this cool. No joke, over 1,700 videos on this channel. You can literally watch me become a different human from being a kid with little responsibilities to literally now a dad, a business owner. Like, I have an employee. Like, it's mind-blowing. You know, we've come a very, very long way. With all that being said, I don't expect any of you guys to go back and watch over 1,700 videos. It would take like a couple months to do that. And I know a lot of you guys are newer to the channel. We've had a lot of growth the last 2 years. The first couple of years was slow growth, you know, but you got to continually put in the work and know that eventually the growth will come and everything. With that being said though, I wouldn't be here today and I wouldn't be growing like I am today if it wasn't for a couple key people, some people that really totally made this happen. And all the OGs are gonna know a lot of these people. Some of you guys are new to the channel, you don't know any of these people, but I want to thank them because I wouldn't be sitting here on this rail today if it wasn't for my brother Ben, my little brother. I love that kid to death. When he graduated, he was like, yo, I want to move up to the mountains and be like you, Jonathan. I think what you're doing is cool. So he moved up, we worked together at Target, we snowboarded every single day, and he was like, we got to start a YouTube channel because I know that if we do the YouTube channel, it's going to be successful. No one does what you're doing. No one's making snowboard content like we could. Do it, start the channel. I was like, I don't know, bro. I don't know, I just want to shred. And eventually he talked me into it and we started the channel. So this channel wouldn't be here without him. We did the path to 130 days on the mountain. We get about 150 days each season now, but back then that was a lot of days, especially working a full-time job at Target, being a logistics manager and everything. So it was really cool to kind of show that to everyone, the grind that goes into it, just my passion. And you guys subscribed, and going forward, like, we continued. The second person I want to thank is one of my best friends, Daniel. That dude moved back out here and just helped. He just wanted to hold the camera. Wasn't the greatest snowboarder, not a natural when it comes to being on a plank of wood sliding down a mountain, but the dude cared and he showed up every day and he just helped me. And he was there, he was reliable, and he was fun. We had a great 2 seasons together. He helped me in season 2 and in season 3. When I quit my job and went all in on this, Daniel was the dude that showed up every single day, despite having a job, to help me, to help this channel. So Daniel is a huge portion to this. Now you guys know this person well, and I don't think I have to say much. Backflipping Benton, my boy Benton, we ran into him in like season 2, or it was like season 2 going into season 3, and then I quit my job and went all in, and he just was like, yo, I'll show up every day and I'll do a backflip for you. I mean, we all know that Benton's flashy and his flips and all this crazy stuff that guy does helps this channel out so much. He gives us that wow factor, that awe factor. But Benton's a great friend, and once again, was there all last season. All of season was at 5. Dude was there every single day. Showed up, helped out, was just like, yo, I want to grow my social media, but I also want to be here for you and your family. Benton showed up every single day, flipped in every single video, and dude, we love Benton to death. And like, I'm so thankful that he went on the Wisconsin trip with us. You guys will see that content very soon. And we just had a great time. And you know, it was good to get back out with Benton. We haven't rode much this season, but I think that's going to change going forward. David P, Keystone Yellow Jacket, man. I think you're the biggest reason why we're sitting here today with 100,000 subscribers, man.
You, snowboard!
Thanks for my only video with 1 million views, pulling me over, giving me that speeding ticket. That really kind of changed my trajectory in life, man. I think you really kind of put us on with that. So, David P, we thank you. We got my buddy Sean Oz. Gave me my best tattoo I've ever gotten. The only tattoo I've ever gotten. He owns Summit up here in Summit County, but he also makes YouTube videos. And when I quit my job, he just taught me analytics. You know, he showed me how to see if a video is doing well, how to like look at just the numbers. I don't dig too much into it, but everything I know about the numbers was because of Sean. And he's also been there to help with videos and just to be that like person to call and be like, yo dude, I can't figure out why I'm not getting any subs right now. Like, why are the views not doing it? And he just was like a good, you know, like a level head to talk to about everything on like with YouTube in general, not specifically snowboarding, more the YouTube thing. And that's good to have, you know, like if you're gonna be a content creator, try and find like-minded people that you can talk to about the struggle, because it's not that easy. It really is kind of frustrating. It's taken 5 years and a couple months to get 100,000 subscribers. So Sean, thank you for the help, buddy. Your house, your car, wherever you are, you guys know the jingle. The Ski Doctor. Man, I ran into him on season 3, he bought an iPhone off of me. But we had a mutual friend that was like, oh, you guys should link up. I think you guys could help each other. And our friend was not wrong, dude. Me and Michael have been best friends. Same thing with Benton, best friends since the moment we met. And dude, he helps so much. He's got such unique skater style filming. The dude is the best, but also he helps keep my gear right, but he helps keep your guys' gear right. He's been tuning you guys for over 3 years now. So we love the doc. We want to do so many more trips with the doc. His laugh is the most contagious thing out there. Oh! That was the scariest of my life! I love working with the Ski Doc. Every time we go out, the mood just gets lifted. So thank you, Ski Doc, for everything, man. And dude, this is just the beginning with the Doc and with Benton and with Cody, our newest member. Cody quit his big boy job. He was an engineer to come and make videos with me, to help me with this backyard park, to do just, the dude's insane. He has been helping out so much. I mean, the TikTok's over 100,000 followers. A lot of that is because of Cody. Even just like a lot of the recent videos, I'm kind of in an editing, I would say, or like just got a lot going on. I have a newborn baby. You know, Cody's here picking up the slack, really helping me out. I would be struggling so hard this season, and I don't even think we'd have 100,000 subscribers. Cody didn't show up to help. So Cody, dude, we're so stoked to have you a part of Team Buckhouse. Legit first ever employee of Team Buckhouse, and Cody is going to be around for a very long time, hopefully forever. That's what I would love. Of course, there's so many people that I can't just go in depth on and everything. Like, those are the main ones, and if I missed out on someone else that's been just as crucial as those guys, I do apologize. But I mean, like, you got Melissa, Justin John, Aaron McKenzie, Chris, Jeremy from season 1. Literally anyone that's ever held a camera for one of the videos or been in one of the videos and done something silly or goofy just to make it better. Literally anybody that has watched the video, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. You guys have all helped get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. And I'm talking like it's the end, but it's not, dude. This is just the beginning. 100,000 is kind of like your biggest milestone in the beginning, and then it kind of goes up from here. And with that being said, I do want to touch on, like, you guys have changed my life. Like, since age 11, when my dad wasn't really around and I needed someone to look up to, a guy named James took me snowboarding. And after that day, not only did James become the coolest person in my life, but I was like, I'm gonna be a snowboarder when I grow up. I just want to be a snowboarder. And I looked up so much to James and those guys and Tony Hawk and playing Tony Hawk pro skater, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be a snowboarder. Like, I know I'm gonna be a pro snowboarder. And then I move up here at age 18, and I quickly learned, like, I'm never going to be a pro snowboarder. I'm not going to flip 4 times on a jump. That stuff is gnarly. Only a very, very special few can ride at that level. But I always told myself, I'm going to do something in snowboarding that's going to allow me to do it for a living. That's what I would say. I was working at Target, and I was like, I'm doing good Target, but I'm going to find something in snowboarding. I'm just going to keep snowboarding. I'm going to keep getting good at snowboarding. And when I finally find something in snowboarding that lets me do it for a living, I'm going to do it for a living. And then the channel showed up. And the coolest thing with the channel is James, the guy that I looked up to, I started getting messages from kids and from adults and young men being like, yo, dude, like, you inspire me, like, thank you. I didn't even think you could snowboard this much. And all of a sudden I started seeing these messages that kind of reminded me of how I looked up to James. I have all these other people looking up to me, and that is crazy. And that is such a huge driver to this channel. It's what gets me to wake up at 3 in the morning to bust out and edit, you know? So being able to be James to thousands and thousands of other people is absolutely insane. And I know there's the huge debate, like, are you a pro snowboarder? You're not a pro snowboarder. But I snowboard for a living. I make good money doing it now thanks to you guys. And we're taking that money and we're putting it into things like a backyard park, into getting employees so we can grow this thing. Because I truly believe that we can take this snowboard brand bigger than Burton. And what I encourage you guys to do is to chase your dreams, you know, chase your goals. Always have that idea in your head. So maybe you want to be a professional gamer or snowboarder, skater, whatever it is, but you do got to get a job. And I've done it. I've worked the job, but also right after clocking out, ran to the mountains to snowboard. And just keep your dream and your purpose alive. Don't give up on it, and just have that saying, like, you know, one day I'm gonna find something in gaming, skating, you know, whatever it is, underwater basket weaving, and I'm gonna find something in that passion that will one day allow me to do it for a living. And that's what happened. And it's once again, it's because of you guys. And going back to just thanking somebody, you know, my wife, she puts up with so much. I can't turn it off. I'm always thinking about the channel. I'm always trying to DM one of you guys, or reply to a comment, or read an email, or, you know, I try to be off this thing as much as possible. It's hard when your business is there, and every moment you put into this translates into some level of success, whether it's a new subscriber, so, you know, it's a new sticker sale, whatever it is. So to put that in the pocket, you know, and be present with your family, it's a battle, and I try to do it all the time. And I'm so thankful that I get to take them to Oregon every summer and spend that quality time in the camper and just be around them. And I do get to spend so much time with my family. So guys, thank you for that. But also thank you to my family for allowing me for November, December, January, and February to almost just not disappear, but to travel, to ride almost every ski resort in the United States. You know, like, when I go on a 5-day, 7-day trip, I'm not with them. And they're tough, you know, they're okay. But they are sacrificing too, you know, and especially Bobby the most. So, babe, thank you. Love you. And lastly, this isn't it. 100,000 subscribers. Are you kidding me? The goals, the dreams, the passion I have for this channel go far beyond a subscriber count. We started this 6 years ago, like 5 years and a couple months ago. And I feel like we just started. And I truly believe that. Like, we just started this. And I'm just so stoked to share every moment, every growth, every time we use a shovel back here in the backyard park until we have our own ski resort. Literally every step along the way, we are going to post a video for you guys so you guys can be a part of it, because Team Buckhouse is you. I'm not joking about that. Like, when I say keep evolving, I don't only mean in your snowboarding or your skiing. I mean in life, guys. Evolve as a person. Every day wake up and take one step closer to your dream, your passion, your goal, whatever it is. I know I'm kind of sounding like a motivation. I know I'm sounding like a motivational speaker right now, but I'm telling you, I wake up some days and I'm over it. Like, I don't want to edit. I don't want to come out and film this video today. I don't want to do this. But then it's like, if you do one thing, just one little step closer, you're gonna look back 5 years later and you're like, holy crap, man. I'm renting a house in Summit County. I have an employee. Got a backyard park. We snowboard every day for a living. We got crazy sponsors like Christie Sports, and I barely even started that thing. I can't wait to share all the cool stuff we're gonna do with those guys. Like, it's incredible where you will go if you don't look at the current instant gratification and you just take those steps and you everything long term. Always look long term. But with all that being said, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, I truly mean that. It's crazy to me you guys watch my videos. And I'm happy that I can give you guys a little bit of joy every day. Between 10 and 15 minutes is what we aim for. Of joy every single day. Because it is daily on this channel. I've made sure to make that the #1 priority, to get you guys a video every single day at a medium to high level quality that is enjoyable and fun for all. And now there's only one way to end this. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because 100,000 subscribers isn't the end. And once again, it's daily on this channel. Peace.